Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about in the mass transfer operation 1, unit number 5, gas absorption. In a previous lecture માં આપણે કાઉન્ટર કરંટના સિસ્ટમ જોયું હતું, વન કમ્પોનન્ટ સિસ્ટમ મલ્ટી સ્ટેજ માટે. આજનો ટોપિક છે ધ એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન ફેક્ટર એ. એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન ફેક્ટર એ માટે આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરીશું જે મિનિમમ લિક્વિડ ગેસ રેશિયોના બેઝિસ પર છે, જે ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમમાં આપણે જોઈશું વિથ ઇક્વેશન્સના બેઝિસ પર. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ ધ એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન ફેક્ટર. The absorption factor A is equal to L, which is equation A is equal to L by mg is the ratio of the slope of the operating line of the equilibrium curve also. For values of A less than unity corresponding to convergence of the operating line and equilibrium curve for the lower and of these the absorber. Okay, the figure 5.16 indicates clearly that the fractional absorption for a solute is definitely limited even for infinite theoretical trays. On the other hand, for values of A, the greater than the unity and degree of absorption is possible if sufficient trays are provided. Okay. Greater than unity and degree of absorption is possible in a sufficient tray are provided for a fixed charge of the degree of absorption from a fixed base amount of T of gas as increases beyond unity. The absorbed solute is dissolved in a more or more liquid and become therefore is valuable. At the same rate time, the number of trays decreases so that the equipment cost decreases. Okay. From this opposing cost for tendencies, it follows that in all such cases there will be a values of A or a liquid by gas ratio. આપણે જે ઇક્વેશન્સ જોવાના છે મિનિમમ લિક્વિડ ગેસ રેશિયોનું. ઓકે, તો વોટ ઇઝ એ? ઇટ ઇઝ ધ એરિયા. એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન ફેક્ટરનો એરિયા છે લિક્વિડ માટે ગેસ અને એમ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ધ માસ. ઓકે, A or L by G liquid gas ratio for which the most economical absorption and result. This should be obtained generally by computing the total cost of several values of A and observing the minimum as the rule of the thumb. For purpose of a rapid estimate, it has been frequently found that the most economical area A and the range of the 1.25 to 2. The reciprocal of the absorption factor is called the stripping factor S. ઓકે, સિમ્પલી આ એક ઇક્વેશન આપ્યું છે, તમારે યાદ નહીં રાખવાનું. મેં તો સિમ્પલી યાદ રાખવા માટે જ ઇક્વેશન છે તમારે. તો વોટ ઇઝ ધ ઇક્વેશન્સ જોઈ લો એક વખત, તમને ખ્યાલ આવશે. y np plus 1 minus y1 by divided by y np plus 1 minus mx0 is equal to a np plus 1 minus a divided by a np plus 1 minus 1. હવે np is equal to log y np plus 1 minus mx0 by y1 minus mx0 in a bracket 1 minus 1 by a plus 1 by a in a whole bracket for log a divided by for x0 minus x np divided by x0 minus y np plus 1 by m is equal to s np plus 1 minus s by s np plus 1 minus 1. તો np બરાબર હોલ ટર્મની ઇક્વેશન્સ છે લોગ બેઝિસમાં x0 minus y np plus 1 by m divided by x np minus y np plus 1 divided by m in a whole bracket 1 minus 1 by s plus 1 by s by log s, where a is equal to L by mg and s is equal to mg by L. This is the final equations for absorption factor. Again repeated part for absorption factor. પછી જોઈશું આપણે મિનિમમ લિક્વિડ ગેસ રેશિયો કે કના બેઝિસ પરથી ઇક્વેશન આવ્યું હતી. તો રીડ કરો એક વાર ખાસ. The absorption factor A is equal to L by mg is the ratio of the slope of the operating line to that the equilibrium curve for a value of a the less than unity and corresponding to convergence of the operating line and equilibrium curve for the lower end of the absorber. The figure 5.16 જે આગળ જોવાના છે આપણે indicates clearly that the fractional absorption of a solute is a definitely limited part even for infinite theoretical trays. On the other hand, for the values of a greater than the unity, any degree of absorption is possible if sufficient trays are provided. For a fixed degree of absorption from a fixed amount of gas as increase beyond the unity, absorbed solute is dissolved in more amount of the gases. Increase beyond unity the absorbed, the solute is dissolved in more and more liquid and becomes therefore the less valuable. At the same time, the number of the trays decrease so that the equipment cost decreases from this opposing cost tendencies. It follows that in install all the such cases there will be values of a or the liquid gas ratio for which the most economical absorption. The result this should be obtained generally by the computing the total cost for several values of a in the observing the minimum as a rule of the thumb for a purpose of rapid estimate. It has been these functions frequently the found at the economical basis. A will be the range of these 1.25 to 2 and the reciprocal of the absorption factor is called as stripping factor S. હવે જોઈએ આપણે મિનિમમ લિક્વિડ ગેસ રેશિયો જે આપણે વિથ ઇક્વેશન્સના બેઝિસ પર જોઈ ગયા હતા. પછી લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ આપણે આ જોવાનું છે ડાયલ્યુટ ગેસ મિક્સચર. This is the minimum liquid gas ratio. Equations for 8.5 અને બેઝિસ પર જોઈએ આપણે ડિટેલમાં. In the design of absorber, the quantity of a gas to be treated G or Gs, the terminal concentration Y1 and Y2 and the compositions of the entering liquid X2 are ordinarily fixed by the process requirement also, but the quantity of liquid to be used is subject to the choice referred to the figure and basis per જોઈશું. The operating line must be passed through the point D and must end the ordinate Y1. If such a quantity of liquid is used to give operating line DE, and the exit liquid will be have the any composition X1. If less liquid is used, the exit liquid compositions part will be clearly to be greater as at a point F જે આપણે ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમમાં જોઈશું. But since the driving force of a diffusion are less, the absorption is more difficulties. The time of the contact between the gas and liquid must then be greater, and the absorber must be correspondingly taller. તો આપણે મેઇન ફર્સ્ટ આપણે ગ્રાફિકલ સિસ્ટમમાં જોઈએ. This is a graphical system for a mole solute per mole solvent. Minimum liquid gas ratio absorption નો પાર્ટ છે. સ્લોપ આપ્યો છે LS/GS. ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ કર્વ આપ્યો છે તમને પોઈન્ટ P. y સ્ટાર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ f ઓફ x ના બેઝિસ પરનો કર્વ આપ્યો છે તમને. ઓકે, તો તમે એક વખત ખાસ ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમ જોઈ લો. પછી ઇક્વેશન શું હતું? A ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ L/mg, જે એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન ફેક્ટરનું ઇક્વેશન છે. A ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ L/mg. અહીંયા આપણને સ્લોપ મળે છે LS/GS, જે લિક્વિડ ગેસ રેશિયો છે. ઓકે, તો આગળ વધીએ. The absorber must be corresponding taller. The minimum liquid which can be used, so corresponding to that the operating line DM, and which has the greatest slope of for any line touching the any equilibrium curve and is the tangent to the curve at a point P. જે આપણે ગ્રાફિકલી સિસ્ટમમાં જોયું. This one is a point P. સ્લોપ આપણને આવી રહ્યો છે. This one. Okay, at P the liquid basis, at P the diffusion driving force is 0, and the required time to contact for the concentration charge desired is infinite, and an infinitely tall tower result. This then represent the limiting liquid gas ratio. Simply, the any equilibrium curve is a frequently conveys for upward as in the figure 8.7 part B, and the minimum liquid gas ratio then the corresponding part to an exit liquid concentration in equilibrium with the gas entering gas. Equilibrium with the entering gas also, and this principle also apply to strippers. When an operating line which anywhere touches the equilibrium curve represent a maximum ratio of the liquid to gas and a minimum exit gas concentration na basis par છે. ઓકે, તો જે લાસ્ટ વન છે તેનું રિવિઝન જોઈ લઈએ આપણે એબ્સોર્પ્શન ફેક્ટરનું, જે આના બેઝિસ પર છે. રિવિઝન પાર્ટ ઇઝ ધેર. Absorption factor. The absorption factor A is equal to L/mg. So where is A is the area, absorption factor no A. L is equal to liquid and G is the gas ratio, and M is equal to mass. Is the ratio of the slope of the operating line to that equilibrium curve for any values of a less than unity ના બેસિસ પર છે. Corresponding to the convergence of the operating line and equilibrium curve, the lower end of the absorber in the figure 5.16 indicates clearly that the fractional absorption of solute is definitely limited even for infinite theoretical trays. On the other hand, for the values of a greater than unity, and degree of absorption is possible if sufficient. The trays are provided for a fixed degree of absorption from the fixed amount of the gas. As the increases beyond the unity, the absorbed solute is dissolved in more and more liquid and becomes therefore less valuable at the same time, and the number of these factors for a liquid by gas ratio. Okay, so thank you so much. This is the detailed part of this absorption factor A, which is equation A is equal to L by mg. Thank you so much.